Hello Geminis, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll see what's blocking your path. So what are the energies which are blocking your path, what you need to do exactly, how you need to get over it is the message of this video. And for the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what is blocking the path of Geminis. What are the blockages in your path now? So we have the Ten of Wands, the Four of Pentacles, and the Knight of Cups. So Geminis, you are overburdened. You are taking too many responsibilities. You are not sharing anything with anyone. They can be emotional burdens also. They can be actual responsibilities in the physical world. They can be emotional responsibilities. They can be emotional baggages. They can be keeping secrets. They can be keeping things to your own. They can be holding grudges. You are overburdened in some way, and it is that I really don't feel that you're not even wanting to release the burden. You have to share the responsibility, you have to open up. So, though you want to be unburdened, but you're not doing anything about it. You are not making an effort to unburden yourself. Okay. If you are able to do that, if you are able to actually unburden yourself and open up, or delegate the responsibilities to others, or open up with your secrets or whatever you are holding on, if you are able to release those situations and those things, only then you will be able to move forward. So to move forward in a loving way, you really need to unburden yourself. You have to unburden yourself with so many issues which you are taking care of right now for whatever reason. But I really don't see that even though you want to be unburdened, you are not doing anything about it. You are just, maybe you feel that it is a power to keep things to yourself. Maybe you feel that if you take the responsibility of everything on your own, you feel more powerful in that. It can be that also, or it can be some other reason, but you have to unburden yourself before moving forward in a beautiful energy and open up emotionally and move towards something beautiful. So hope this helps, Geminis, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.